Hello.
Good
Hi,
morning.
good morning. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, Leo. Hello. Are you eating?
Uh, no.
I can see you eating. I can see you chewing. What are you eating?
Uh, I don't know.
Hmm? What are you eating?
I don't know.
You don't know. Rice? Are you eating rice?
No.
No. All right. Can I see? Can I see?
The
Where? Where? Ah, orange. Orange. You're eating orange. All right. Day is Wednesday. Mm. All right.
okay.
Okay. So, yeah. All right. So, how are you today? How are you today, Leo?
And you?
You, all right? You okay? You're fine? Yeah, I'm
Yes.
also good. I'm fine. All right. So, did you go to school?
Yes, I'll go to the school.
Yeah, you went to school. Yes, I went to school.
Yes, I went to school.
Yeah, all right. So, what did you do in school, Leo?
I will chat with my friend.
You played chess with your
Yes.
friends. Ah, okay. And yeah, you played chess with your friends. And did you eat breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast in the
Mm-hmm.
morning? Yeah.
Right.
And eggs, rice and
Yes.
eggs. Oh, yeah, that's what we also eat for breakfast.
Vegetable.
Oh, rice, eggs, and vegetables.
Yes.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Very healthy. Hi. Hi. Your cousin is there. Hi. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Shock. Soccer.
Sok. Sok.
Yes, yes,
Sok.
yes.
Ah, okay. Your name is Sok. All right. Hi, Sok. All right. So, yeah. Leo, do you have homework? Yeah, you have homework. So we will check your homework first before we start our lesson. All right. So let me share my screen so you can see the video. All right. Can you see it now? Can you see?
I see.
Yes, I can. All right, let's watch the video first, Leo.
Yeah, this is my homework. I go to supermarket. I have to for milk and noodles and two two eggs. Goodbye, teacher.
All right, again.
Um, for milk and
Milk.
noodles and
Oh, how?
two two eggs.
All right.
Goodbye, teacher.
All right. So those are what you bought from, those were the things that you bought from the supermarket. You bought four pouches, four containers of milk, one noodles, one pack of noodles. How is it how?
What?
Is it how? The noodles
Yes,
is how.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Do you like it? Do you like how noodles?
No, no. I
Oh,
know.
why? Is it spicy?
Yes.
Oh, it's spicy. All right.
How?
And you also bought two eggs.
I like
Just two.
meat.
Do you like what? You like how?
No, I like cocoa meat.
What? You like what?
Cocoa meat. Cocoa
What's that?
meat. Cocoa meat.
Kokomi?
Yes, yes,
That's
yes.
the name of the noodles? I'm not, I don't know Kokomi, but I know how.
You like
I know how.
you like
Yeah.
noodles.
All
You
right.
like out.
Ah, okay. All right. All right. So thank you for doing your homework, Leo. Good job. Good job. It's so funny because you just bought two eggs. Because when I buy eggs from the supermarket, I buy a lot. When I go to the supermarket, I buy 30 eggs. When I go to the supermarket, I buy 30 eggs. I buy a lot. You just bought two. All right. Okay, so thank you for doing your homework. Now we will continue our lesson, Leo. Yeah, can you see the book now?
Yes,
Can
I
you
see.
see? Yes,
I see.
I can. All right. Okay, good job, Leo. So we will now continue our lesson. Yeah, maybe before we have this, let's review the places here, the places the places that we've learned last time. So Leo, what's this again?
Market.
Hmm?
Market.
Supermarket. Supermarket. Again, one more time. Can you say it again? Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Yes, that's right. This one is
Restaurant.
what?
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Yeah, this one is
Shopping mall.
shopping mall. Mall. Again,
Shopping.
shopping mall.
Shopping mall.
Mall. All right, how about this one?
Library.
Library. Good job. It's the place where we can read books. What about this one?
Movie job.
Movie. Movie
Movie
theater.
job.
Movie theater. All right. How about this one?
House.
What is it?
I don't know.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Hospital. Again.
Hospital.
Hospital. One more time. Hospital.
Hop.
Hospital. Yeah.
Hospital.
Yeah. And what about this one? What's that?
Mm,
Hmm.
That is near. Near. Near.
What is
Near.
it? In between
Tree apple. Big tree apple.
between A
A. B.
and B. Between A and B. All right. And how about this one? What's that?
Opposite.
Hmm.
Opposite.
Hmm? It's across.
Across.
Across from. Across from.
Across.
Yeah, across
Across.
from. All right. So don't.
Across.
Yeah, across. Okay. So I think you need to practice the word across, Leo. Across. Ac-
Across.
across. Across. Oh, what?
Across.
Across from. Okay.
Across.
Across from.
Across.
Across. Across.
Across.
Yes, that's right. All right, so Leo, we will do the role play now. We will listen first and then let's role play.
B. Listen and say. Then role play the conversation.
Hi, Alex. Where are you going? I'm going to the new movie theater. Where is it? It's between the library and the hospital. Is it a tall yellow building? Yes, that's it.
All right, so Leo, we will role play. You will be the boy, I will be the girl. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start. Hi, Alex. Where are you going?
I go into the new
Theater. Yeah,
movie
this is
theater.
I'm. Can you say I'm? Oh, I'm.
I am
I'm.
I am
Yeah, I'm.
I'm
I'm.
I am
Yeah, that's right. Where is it?
where uh it's between the library and happy store.
Is it a tall yellow building?
Yes, that is.
All right, good job. Maybe we will switch roles. Let's switch roles, Leo. I will be the boy. Leo, I will be the boy, you will be the girl. Okay?
Okay.
All right, you start.
Um Hi Alex, what are you doing?
Where are you
Where are you
going?
doing?
Going.
Doing.
Again. One more
Hi
time.
Alex, where are you going?
I'm going to the new movie theater.
Where is it?
It's between the library and the hospital.
It's a triangular building. Building.
Tall, tall, tall,
A
yellow building.
yellow building.
All right. Yes, that's it. All right. So how about you, Leo?
Uh,
Where's your school? Yeah, Leo, where's your school?
it's between the house and house.
It's between the house and house.
Yes.
Ah, it's between the houses.
Here.
It's between the houses. Your school is between the houses. Ah, okay. How do you get to school? Leo, how do you get to school?
Uh, I go to the bike. I go to the ride motorbike.
You go to school by motorbike. Okay, I go to school
I go to
by
by motor
by
bike.
motorbike. Oh, all right. Okay, so good job, Leo. So your school is between houses, between the houses. All right. The my school is between
It's
the
between
houses.
the
Between the houses. All right, it's between the houses. All right. So let's move on to this one, Leo. So we will answer this one. So let's practice first. Where are you going?
I go into the library.
I'm
I'm going to the library.
library. Again, library.
Yes.
Again, one more time. Library.
Library.
Yes. Where's the library?
It's at from the happy store.
Yeah, it's across from the hospital. All right. So that's what we're going to do. Let's have number one. Leo, where are you going?
I go into the library.
I'm one more time.
I
Mhm. I'm Where's the library, Leo? Where's the library?
it's at from the happy store.
Across
Across
from.
from
Okay? It's across from the hospital.
from the
Okay?
happy store.
It's across from the hospital. Okay? Is that right, Leo? It's across from the hospital.
Okay.
Here, see this? It's across from the hospital. All right, number two. Leo, where's number two? Where are you going?
I go into the
I'm.
hospital.
Ah, what? Hospital? What's that? Again, number 2. Where are you going? I'm going to the restaurant. And where's the restaurant? Leo, where's the restaurant?
It's I found the
Across.
across the movie theater. Movie theater.
It's what? Again. Where's the restaurant?
Uh,
It's between
it's between back and
and
be move.
yes, it's between the bank and the shopping mall. Again, where's the restaurant? It's between the bank and the shopping mall.
In the shopping mall.
Again, where's the restaurant, Leo?
Is
Between
between park and shopping mall.
shopping mall. It's between the bank and the shopping mall.
The bank and shopping mall.
Look here, read this. Look at
Read
this. Look here, Leo. It's between the bank and the shopping mall. Okay?
It's between the park and shopping mall.
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 Do you
Mall.
understand it, Leo? Do you understand it? Do you understand it? All right, number 3. Leo, where are you going?
We're going to the shopping mall.
Mall.
Mall. Mall.
Where's the shopping mall?
Is I found the
Bakery. This one?
bakery.
Yeah, it's across from the bakery.
Bakery.
Yeah, it's across from the bakery. Number 4. Where are you going?
I go into the happy store.
Yeah, where's the hospital?
Is I found the library.
Yeah, it's across from the library. Across from.
From the library.
Yeah, all right. Don't forget across. Number 5, where are you going?
I go into the supermarket.
Supermarket. Where's the supermarket?
It's across from park.
The bank. Yeah, it's across from the bank. And number 6, where are you going?
I go into the movie class.
Theater.
The
Yeah, where's the movie theater?
uh, is at from the
It's between
is between supermarket and bakery.
bakery. Bakery. All right. Good job, Leo. All right. So don't forget those things. Now we're going to listen and number the picture. Okay, Leo? So you have to listen and write numbers in each picture. Ready now, Leo?
Okay.
All right. Let's start.
Speak up. Page 52. B. Listen and number. Number 1.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the shopping mall.
Where is it?
It's across from the supermarket.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
All right.
Okay.
Are you sure? Again, let's listen again.
Number 1.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the shopping mall.
Where is it?
It's across from the supermarket.
Oh, the shopping mall is across from the supermarket. Shopping mall is across from. Oh, okay, let's have number 2.
Number 2.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the restaurant.
Where is it?
It's next to the movie theater.
Yes, all right, number 3.
Number 3.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the library.
Where is it?
It's between the hospital and the supermarket.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, where's the library? All right, number. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it. All right, so Leo. Um, where's the shopping mall, Leo? Where's the shopping mall? Again, where's the shopping mall, Leo?
Is
It's. What are you
from
doing? I can only see your finger, your hand. What are you doing with the computer? All right, Leo, where's the shopping mall?
is
This
after is at from the supermarket.
across
Across from supermarket.
from the supermarket. All right, number 2. Where is the restaurant?
Is between movie the
It's next to the movie theater. It's next to.
movie theater.
It's next to the movie theater. Okay?
Is next
It's
to the
next to the movie theater. All right. Again, where's the restaurant, Leo? Where's the restaurant?
is be is be it's at from
Across from. Oh no,
across from
it's next to. It's next to.
is next to uh is at across from shopping mall.
What? The restaurant is next to the
Movie the
movie theater. All right. Number 3. Where's the library?
uh supermarket is
Where's the library?
I don't know.
What? It's between.
It's between the hospital.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
It's between
The tire, the dog.
the supermarket and the.
The supermarket is at from
No, no,
the
the library, the library. Where's the library?
I don't know.
What? The library is this one. This one is the library. It's
The last
between
is between
the
the
hospital and the.
hospital and supermarket.
Yeah, that's right. It's between the hospital and the supermarket. All right. So Leo, where's the toy store?
Is between bank and shopping mall.
It's between the bank and the shopping mall. Very good. And where's the hospital?
It's a net is between library.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's next to the library. It's next to the library. All right, where's the bank? Leo.
Pang is between the toys.
The bank is between the toy store?
Yes,
No, no, that's not
that
between. This is between.
is is the bank is between
It's across from
is correct from
the movie theater, right?
okay.
All right, and it's across from the hospital, right? It's also across from the hospital and across from the movie theater, right?
Okay.
Yeah, all right. And where's the police station,
Is
Leo?
is next is at the afternoon afternoon
Mm-hmm.
shopping mall.
It's across from the
Shopping mall.
shopping mall. It's across from the shopping mall. All right. Okay, so I think that's it. So we're finished with this one. All right. What about the park? Where's the park?
Uh, I don't know.
Where's the
I
park? The park is across from the
The supermarket.
yes. The park is across from the supermarket and across from the it's
Uh,
also across from the
police
police
station.
station. All right. So, okay, maybe this will be your homework. Please record a video discussing or telling me wait a minute. The places recording video telling me the places you can go to in your town. Yeah, for example, park, shopping mall, movie theater. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so don't forget to do your homework, Leo. All right, all right. So that's the end of our lesson. See you again.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, goodbye. Good job,
Bye.
Leo.